Hello, bau kedai. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, I'm gonna do another unboxing video where I baru je dapat my early birthday present. I pakai baju kurung sebab I baru balik daripada wedding dekat Ipoh. Anyways, let's get back to our motif of this video. So let's guess what's inside. Ah! See. Thank you so much. So this is iPhone 14 Pro Max. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the moment of truth. Space Gray 512GB. iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is my old phone. Okay, let's unbox this. Macam nak on? Tiba-tiba bodoh. Macam nak? Okay, sini. Tak payah charge 8 jam, okay? No need to charge 8 jam anymore. Hello. So, I nak set up jap. English. Select your country origin, Malaysia. Click start. Setting manually. Bring your current iPhone near to this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone doesn't show options for setting up this. Ooh! Wow! Dia terus detect. Bagus. Dia kata bring your current iPhone. So, I macam dekatkan lah. Dia terus keluar this notification. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Hold, kena. Uish! Ooh, I can see my eyes. Wing. Set up, getting things ready. Just a moment. Oh, dia kena tunggulah. This is my new. Dia sama je size dia. I was expecting like phone iPhone 14 Pro Max ni a bit besar sikit daripada ni, but it's the same. So alhamdulillah. Taklah awkward nak pegang phone. I can't wait to see the camera. Okay, so Face ID. Oh, get started. Bodoh jap. No. Okay. I on the way. Kejap lagi I sampai. Let's see dalam kotak ada apa. So they give the cable. This one is the manual. And that's all. Thank you so much for giving me this early birthday present before I fly to Singapore. Thank you so much. I tak nak tunjuk dia punya kamera. Tunggu I update dulu, okay? Aku dah kemas pula benda ni. So okay guys, I nak kutip all the bola-bola and my phone pun tengah update, so I cannot show. Nanti esok kalau dah already transfer all the data from my old phone to my new phone, I'll show the camera and other features. Hey guys, so today kita nak pergi pasang dia punya screen protector. My boyfriend gave me this casing semalam. And later I'll show you apa beza iPhone XS Max dengan iPhone 14 Pro Max. I baru je balik daripada pasang the screen protector. Let's compare between these two. First of all, dia punya screen, lock screen. Kalau yang ni bila lock dia hitam. Kalau yang ni bila lock dia still nampak bayang. Lepas tu bila nak buka, macam tu je. Next is kalau nak customize, kena unlock with our Face ID. And tekan kat sini lama dia akan keluar lah. Nah ini rasanya semua orang tahu. And then this one boleh unlock phone with muka kita bila pakai mask, boleh detect, but this one cannot. Camera, saya ada ambil comparison between iPhone XS Max and also iPhone 14 Pro Max. This one is by iPhone 14 Pro Max, and then this one by iPhone XS Max. Dia punya video quality is color semua cantik. Kalau this one bila record kamera belakang cantik lagi, but we have to ada enough light. Kalau cahaya tak cukup, nanti video dia akan, quality dia akan drop, gambar buruk. Saya lupa nak bagi tahu yang kamera dia boleh customize. Kita boleh pilih sama ada nak standard or yang lain. Macam dia dah set up lah untuk yang ni cool, yang ni warm. I guna yang warm. Lepas tu bila nak tangkap video pun kan, bila nak tangkap video dia ada cinematic, which macam portrait macam ada cinematic punya. Lepas tu if nak tangkap video dia ada action mode, which indicates that kalau kita bergoyang-goyang macam mana pun, macam kalau kita lari, dia punya camera still stabilize macam tu. Macam kalau kita pakai phone yang lain kan, macam kalau kita goyang-goyang, phone tu akan goyang-goyang sekali kan. But this action mode, bila kita goyang-goyang, dia still focus on that subject. Macam tu lah. So yeah, go and get it. So next is the dynamic island. Kalau XS Max dia macam ni, 14 Pro Max dia macam terapung, macam ada island gitu. Dynamic island ni dia macam tak nampak sangat perbezaan dia unless kita guna something yang menampakkan kegunaan dia. Faham tak? Contoh lah macam kita buka Spotify kan, lepas tu kita play lah any lagu. Okay, bila kita keluar dekat home screen, ada kat situ. So kita boleh tekan lama-lama untuk buka macam tu. Inilah kegunaan dynamic island dia. Timer ke, kita start timer, lepas tu kita keluar. Dia ada kat tepi, so kita boleh tekan lama-lama kat situ. So boleh show lah ada timer. And everything, tak semua yang akan activate dengan dynamic island lah. Ni kalau kita silent, kalau kita unsilent, betul boleh. The size is the same, tapi iPhone 14 Pro Max is a bit berat daripada XS Max. Maybe sebab dia kan lagi tebal kan. Kamera dia besar. I tengok orang lain punya video, dia ada bandingkan diorang punya phone macam lagi latest from me, XS Max. Diorang macam ada iPhone 13, iPhone 11, and diorang kata kamera yang bulat-bulat ni iPhone 14 a bit more larger than iPhone 11, iPhone 13 macam tu. Yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion untuk I buat content, untuk I buat YouTube video pasal apa-apa je, you can, my DMs are always open, and also you can comment on any of my videos. I will always read your comments or DMs. So have a nice day and see you in our next video, which I akan pergi Singapore this Thursday. So stay tuned. Bye.